Alright, one more quick video for you guys today. So this is another common issue on the Raptor 700 simple fix here. We finally made a product to address this issue. So if you've been in this community for long enough, you've probably broken one of these. Or you have a broken fill plug and it's been collecting sand or dirt and it's kind of muddy and gross and got a little oil there and you don't quite know what it's coming from. Well, most likely the head is broken off of this fill plug. So you get to this spot, you're like, okay, what do I do? Well, simple fix. Normally you can just reach down here and with a little pressure turn that plug out, the rest of it, or take an Allen with a pretty square end on it and you should be able to back that out and get that out. It's very rare that we have to take the cover off or do any additional measures. So when you get to that point, you could do one of two things. At least now, you could buy that factory plug, which I think it's about 16 bucks. Put a new one in there, and most likely you'll end up breaking this again because they're very hollow where that wrench goes through, and there's not a lot of material there that's holding it on. So that is a real common failure. Recently been bugged with it enough that we made our own timing plugs, or not timing plug, but fill plugs. The proper thread, the proper recess for the factory O-ring that will go right in there, and use a 10mm wrench to take that off. So as you can see, this is our setup we use on this clutch cable, just a spacer on the back for when we have a lockout. Some brackets are different. This is what I prefer to do with the factory bracket and just a spacer. So a quick cover on that. So there is room to pull this plug off with that setup. And just sits down nice and proper. Don't look half bad on there. A little different than normal. Easy to access and get to with a wrench. So aluminum, can powder coat it. I have these in just a raw finish, as well as the black ones, anodized. Kind of hard to see on camera here, but same part, anodized black. And then here is one installed on the black lockout cover. You see a bit more contrast on camera than it actually is, but that is it. I'll have these listed on eBay or to buy directly. These are made in USA, local here in Eugene, Oregon. Anodized locally and made out of a 70 series. So should be no long-term issue with those and function properly. So that is it. Check those out if you want them. I'm gonna list them for 20 bucks. Seems fair. And that is it for now. Thank you.